This is Laura. Films. It was the theme song to the movie with the same name, Murder Mystery, and it was written by David Raksin. David Raksin was a very prolific American film composer. Wrote not as prolific as Harry Warren, who had written At Last, and but he was still very prolific, and he wrote an autobiography called If I Say So Myself, and this is a very beautiful song. When I heard an anecdote once when he was writing it, he was in a hotel room in probably Beverly Hills, and Andre Previn, the famous American composer and conductor, heard him playing it and thought it was so beautiful he had to go knock on his door and ask him what it was. And he was playing this song that he was writing probably at the time. He's also, I just came across his name recently because I watched the classic movie by Charlie Chaplin, Modern Times, and Charlie Chaplin wrote the music to Modern Times, but much of it he just sang to David Raksin, and David Raksin actually orchestrated the music to Modern Times, which is a terrific classic movie. You've got to see that if you haven't seen it. Okay, so this is Laura, and it's a slow with expression. It's similar to At Last and Over the Rainbow. It's a slow ballad. It's got the melody in the right hand, and it's got some very lovely harmonies in this arrangement. It's not a bad arrangement. You've got the rolled chord at the end. It's got a generous use of the pedal, the sustained pedal, so you can use a lot of the pedal if you have one. A lot of accidentals. Some of the chords might be pretty tricky, but it is slow, and your hands move around quite a bit. But it's a beautiful piece. It'd be very worth your learning. So here is me playing Laura. I may point out things as I'm playing it.